I am going to be doing my actually first product review. It's going to be on the Which I Love Your Hair, so I'm kind of going to be doing an unboxing and review all in one. I want to show you how cute the packaging is. I previously ordered from Which I Love Your Hair before, and my spray bottle, I had the old version and it wasn't working well. So they resent me over a bottle for free because their old spray can't handle how much their customers like to use their product because it's such a great product. So I wanted to take this time to show you guys how they package their cute little package. Let me get a little closer to show. So this is the outside. Let me see, hopefully. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. Which I Love Your Hair Organic Beauty meets Aromatherapy. Quartz crystals inside every bottle. So oh my gosh. Wait a second. I thought she was just sending me one thing. And the little this is the little sprayers for the top. Like, look how cute that is. This is the bottle. Organic, vegan, cruelty-free, color safe, magic mist, Which I Love Your Hair. So these are all of the ingredients. So it's mountain water. There we go, focus. Straight from our well, which is great because even in the shower you should have a water filter. I don't as of right now. I used to at my mom's house, but I moved out. If I find any good cheap ones, I'll keep you guys posted, but that can affect people's hair and how it feels if there's chlorine, things like that. And then there's organic lavender oil, peppermint oil, rosemary oil, Jamaican black castor oil, and argan oil. And I love how everything's organic and there's nothing in this that I don't know. And if you can hear it, that mixes the oil and the water together, so then that way she doesn't have to put any type of chemical to mix the oil and the water. So it's a really great product. It smells really nice. I will show you guys how I use it in my hair. I actually did use it today to refresh. So this is actually the other fun part. So you can use it for not just your hair, you can use it for your skin as well. So these are all the ways that she, as the owner, has said that you can use it for. There's a ton of stuff, and that's the other packaging verbiage. So super cute. I think this is all the same thing. Oh my god, there's a pest. I am so excited. Alright, let me show you guys how I use it on my hair. I did want to quickly say, because this was a resend to me, they didn't put everything in the box that they typically would. So when I first got my order, I saved the little things. They give you this cute little card with it. It has a bunch of information. Thank you so much for, you know, being part of the Witchy fam. She's so grateful. She also sends free crystals. So these were all the crystals that I got sent in my first order, their little card. And then they also send this little thing in the mirror there. So I wanted to just add that in because that's such a cute little touch, because, you know, they're so grateful that you're supporting them. So just wanted to add that in. So I had to take my glasses off because you can also use this as, you can use it as a primer for makeup. You can also use it as a setting spray for makeup. And you can also use it as a toner. So let me see how. Okay, so it's a very light mist. and it predominantly smells of the peppermint oil, so if you don't like that smell, maybe this isn't the best product for you, but it has so many benefits. So I typically just shake it up to mix the oil and mist it all over, and you just kind of scrunch it in. So sometimes if I want to just get some frizz away, stuff like that, I'll just use only this. If I need to reshape my curls, like if something got deformed or something like that, I will use water first to get my curls all back in shape. Maybe just like a little bit, like just a spray bottle, get some water on it, maybe like finger coil, like if I need to reshape. So yeah, so basically what I do is a very light mist, so it's not going to feel heavy on your hair or anything like that. And then you can also spray it on your face. I have makeup on right now, so I'm just using it as a setting spray. But you could also spray it on a cotton pad and rub it around as a toner. I also have used this. I was out and I got bit by a mosquito. So I had this with me, and I know that peppermint and lavender help with bug bites. So I sprayed it on my bite, and it started, because my bites swell up like really big. I don't know if anybody else has that problem, but if you do, this can help. I sprayed it on and it like shrunk down to like a normal size within 20 minutes. So that's great, because if you have that problem, you know how quickly the mosquito bite can grow. So I've used it for that, and then I also have used it for sunburns. So when, because it has the lavender and then the cooling peppermint, spray that on and it feels great. What else? Because this can be used for so many things. Cause that's why they call it a magic mist, because it's magical for everything. And it's just, it smells great. It's very lightweight. I have fine hair. Even though it looks like it's thick because it's curly, it's not. So I have fine, thin hair, so oils, heavy creams, I just can't use those really on my hair that much. If I do have to use a very small amount. So I just like how I can just spray it on, and it's such a nice lightweight mist that I don't have to worry like, oh, is my hair gonna look oily, it's gonna look greasy. It's just a very lightweight product, and it smells great. So anytime, you know, if you're out and you have this on hand, they sell the little travel sizes. Let me actually get it, because they sell the small size too. I don't have the actual bottle of the travel size. I don't know where I put it, but it's about this size in relevance. So I would definitely say invest in a small one so you can bring it with you, because I bring it to the beach. I'll bring it if I'm going out for a while, and I know I'll be outside for a lot, because like I said, it can be used if you get sunburned, it can be used for bug spray, and then if you get bit, it can be used to cool your face down as like a refresh. You can spray it in your hair to refresh if you have frizz. They do state that it's for all types and textures as well, so don't be nervous like, oh, this might not be good for my hair type. So if you are interested in trying it, they do have a website. I'm pretty sure all their information, I'll just link it all in the description of this video, so that way if you want to buy anything, you can just head directly to their page. They are an awesome company, and if you have Instagram, you should definitely follow them on Instagram, because their Insta stories are hilarious. It's them and their dogs all the time, like packaging up their products, and they're just a really great company, and I love supporting people who are putting their dreams out there, and they're a small business, and they put love into every bottle, every product, every package sent. They also have a Which I Love Your Face. I think it's, they call it like a serum, I think. It's for your face, like a moisturizer. I have not tried that yet, but it's definitely on my list of things to get. So that was my first product review for you guys, Which I Love Your Hair Magic Mist. Let me know if you guys are interested in this product. If you have any questions about it, feel free to either leave me a comment, message me if you're seeing this on Instagram or Facebook, or you can also directly ask the company themselves. She answers like all of her direct messages. She's really great with communication with her, I almost said clients, with her customers. So yeah, so that was my review, my first product review, and I hope you guys liked it. Bye guys.